Welcome back to Hobbit Racing. We are cleaning today. And like anything, if you don't clean something, you can't expect it to last, you can't expect it to perform well, so you've really got to take advantage of opportunities when they present themselves. And as of right now, it's summer. Things are going a little bit slower, maybe slower than we expect sometimes, but people take vacations and other things going on amongst my own vacations, and so sometimes the racing can certainly take a backseat to life, even though the racing is certainly fun with the guys. So why not take advantage of the opportunity we have? And hey, that opportunity says bust out the naptha. This is just Jasco VM&P naptha, Lowe's, Home Depot, what have you, and it's going to be something that is going to be just basically removing that carbon, removing the buildup, the same thing that we see that builds up on our braids on the bottom of our cars. And we might take, CRC electric cleaner or something like that. The naphtha is going to be a little bit more effective in that instance, as opposed to really spraying that out of the can and just over and over and over again. So, maintenance is necessary if you have a wood track or even if you have a plastic track. I'm sure there are people out there that have different ideas about the plastic track in terms of any in-depth cleaning. SlotR, Dave, just did an awesome video on the truck. You guys that have plastic track out there, Carrera, Polycar, what have you, check out his video. It's a must video, especially because he shows you some stuff about the magnet and how the strength of the magnet is too much for the truck, not only to do its job, but it's going to hurt the motor. Enough about that. I'll let Dave tell you more about that. I'll actually probably link it because we're talking about cleaning and different ways to check out different people cleaning in different apparatus and different applications. MDF here. So without further ado, let's get into the actual work we're going to conduct here. Talking about maintenance. Talking about some maintenance. Hobbit Racing. Wood. For the wood goers out there. Whether you made it or someone made it for you, constructed it, or however you came across an MDF routed, copper braided track. So electrical conductivity, direct current, and the passage of carbon in the air that then builds up between the copper. So just like when you clean your braids in your car, just like when you clean the braids in the car. Only we're going to take some naphtha in a very small amount because your finger, your index finger, is about the size of a quarter when you press down on it. It's about the size of a quarter when you press down on it. As I said, maybe you get a little bit on the edge of where your paint is. That's fine. You can see if you're coming in too hard, just come back and get rid of that. Even some yellow's probably going to come off. But again, that's what's happening in just a 3-foot section. So, depending on, hey, we got a little buddy tonight. Little buddy came in to join us. Antman. It's Paul Rudd. Well, Paul, whatever your name is, you or was. Not an is anymore. So let's get back to it and show another little bit more of that. Another little bit more of that in the jungle. In the jungle! In the Shire! There's ants finding their way everywhere, wanting to sign up to get in the driver's seat. To get in the driver's seat. Who wouldn't want to go around the driver's seat in this? Yes, in this. It's a beautiful thing. But that's another story for another day. That's all from Hobbit Racing.
If you don't subscribe to Hobbit Racing, I'll poke you with my staff. Pokey, pokey, pokey.
She will poke you with her staff.
Pokey!